Jai Hind traders. So welcome to Market Learners YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very interesting because in this video we are going to see which broker is best for algo trading and which broker is best for you in terms of brokerage, API, stability and live execution test. So you will find many other videos on YouTube in which you see that somebody telling this broker is good, somebody tell this broker is good. But what we are going to do in this video is we will deploy our strategy, same strategy on all these all these four brokers: FINVASIA, IIFL, 5paisa and KOTAK, and we are going to check it live which broker has fastest execution. So first let we discuss about brokerage plans. So FINVASIA is zero brokerage plan, so you don't have to pay any brokerage in FINVASIA. In IIFL there are many plans like if you visit their site you will see that they provide 50 per lot, 25 per lot or some big brokerage plans. So they are to fool new traders. So if you are watching this video, let me tell you that if you open your IIFL account through a sub broker, you will get very best plans, very better discounted brokerage plans. So if you open through me, I will provide plans depending on your capital. Our plans starting from 4 per lot, 3 per lot, 2 per lot. So it totally depend on your capital. You just have to message me on WhatsApp 6284873048. Link I will give in description. So you will get a better brokerage plan, plus we also give 25% brokerage discount on these plans. For example, in IIFL you can get 1 per lot plan, and if you sign up through me you get 15 per order plan, but if you sign up on IIFL directly you get 20 per order plan. So here you can see that if you open your account through me, there are no extra charges and you get discounted brokerage plans. In 5paisa they have many plans starting from 20 per order to 10 per order, but I will tell you, if you open through me, I will tell you how you can get 7.5 rupees per order plan at no extra cost. So for that you just have to drop a message or WhatsApp message to me, or you can also call me on my number 6284873048. Now talking about KOTAK, it is zero brokerage plan. You don't have to pay any brokerage. So now you might be thinking, if FINVASIA zero brokerage, KOTAK zero brokerage plan, why do we pay brokerage? So and why many traders are paying brokerage? Why don't they shift to FINVASIA or KOTAK? So I will tell you the reason in our further discussion. Now talking about API. So if you are doing algo trading, you need a broker API. So the Zerodha charges 2000 rupees per month cost for API. All other brokers, most of the brokers are provide free API. For example, FINVASIA provide free API, and IIFL and 5paisa they provide XTS API free. So XTS, what is XTS? XTS is a third party platform which is very stable in terms of errors. For example, if a guy is using XTS API while the other is using normal FINVASIA API or KOTAK API, there are high chances that he will face issue in FINVASIA or KOTAK, but not in IIFL and 5paisa. On my experience, that is what I am saying, because I have used IIFL for around 8 months. Currently, I am not using because there are some family issues or some work. That's why I am not using. But I have also used FINVASIA and also used IIFL. And so whatever I have seen through this is the XTS API that IIFL provide and 5paisa provide is perform well than FINVASIA one. The API that FINVASIA provide. Now talking about stability. What is stability? So stability means how stable your broker is. So what happens is like FINVASIA and KOTAK or flathead, the zero brokerage platforms give frequent errors. Like in 1 month they give 2-3 times error. So that's why trader have to face loss or something like that. Let's assume these days like option worth 5 rupees can go 200 from 500 to 200 in seconds. But Now what happens is, what if you can't close the if you sold that option at 5 rupees and you stuck in that position, your broker is not logging in, so this is called stability. So in case you face such situation, or you stuck in a bad position, it can cause heavy loss for sellers for buying. If you are option buyer, so it will not cause big loss to you because your loss is limited, but for sellers loss is unlimited. So that's why it is preferable for sellers to choose a better broker. So in terms of stability, FINVASIA is average. Why I am giving it average rating? Because in past some things have happened because of which traders lost their whole capital. For example, in April 2023, one day what happens is FINVASIA fired some random orders in broker's account, in client's account. So because of that, traders have to face heavy losses. For some of the users got refund, but some maybe not got refund, not get refund. So that's why I am pointing it to average. Now, talking about IIFL, the here stability is awesome. Awesome. Why I am saying is because if I look at error in last 1 year, IIFL users faced error one to two times, not more than that. So that's why I am saying it awesome. And 5paisa is also good in terms of XTS API. Their manual 5paisa app might not be that good, but if you're talking about in algo perspective, you need a better stable API. Then you can also opt for 5paisa. It has a better API. Better, not better, it is best API. But now talking about Kotak terms, for it is good. I can't say it is bad, because in zero brokerage platform, if you face two to three times error in 1 month, it should be okay for you. You can't expect that a platform charge you zero brokerage and he provide very good services, very best services. It can't be. But according to the zero brokerage, I am rating it good. So if you have to choose a zero brokerage platform and you are okay with 2-3 errors, or you are a buyer, because in selling you can't take that much risk, but if you are a buyer you can take that risk. So you can choose Kotak if you choosing between FINVASIA and Kotak. So now talking about API platform, the FINVASIA have main application like if you doing Algo, so you can manage the position in FINVASIA main app also. All the position it can show you in FINVASIA main app, that is called Shunya. So now talking about IIFL provide an extra app that called Blaze. You can check in Play Store. They provide a Blaze XTS Blaze app and Blaze web terminal to manage position for Algo users. For example, if you are an Algo user, Algo fired some order. Now you want to exit that, so you can't exit that in IIFL main application. They will provide you a different application whose name is Blaze. So and also provide you web link also, so you can manage the position from app and web. I have used the XTS Blaze app. It is really good. And now talking about 5paisa, the only issue 5paisa have, they have very good brokerage plan. Only issue is they don't provide the Android application for Algo users. They will give you a web link, so you can open that link in Chrome and manage your position there if you want to handle manually. But if you are a manual trader, you will not like that opening some website in Chrome and then managing position from there. So if you are an Algo user, only then prefer 5paisa. Otherwise don't prefer 5paisa. If you are Algo plus manual, you can go for IIFL because its XTS app is really good. Now talking about Kotak Neo, they provide app and web that is same as their main application, so they don't provide an extra terminal or application. Now, what is live execution test? So what we are going to do is we are going to deploy our strategy on Algotest website. So what is Algotest website? So Algotest is a platform where you can backtest your strategy and deploy your strategy on Algo. So we are using the platform Algotest. It is a third-party algo platform, and we are going to deploy same strategy on all these four brokers. All this can be done with one account. So one Algotest account, I will add these four different brokers, and will I will test the strategy live in front of you. So why in front of you? Because what happens is it can happen that I have some tie-up with IIFL and 5paisa. That why I will say you IIFL is better, 5paisa is better. So you can check with your eyes in live that which broker has fastest execution. So from here we are visiting the site algotest.in. Now, there we will deploy our strategy on these four brokers, and we will check which broker give good results. But before we do that, let me tell you that if you are a algo trader or want to be a algo trader and want to sign up on algotest.in, if you sign up directly on Algotest, you don't get any extra benefit. But if you sign up through my refer link that you will get from me on my WhatsApp number 62848730048, what you get is 35% extra or whenever you purchase any credits or any plan in Algotest. So for more detail about that, how to get that, you just have to message me on WhatsApp 62848730048. If you already have an account, still you can message me so that I will tell you a way how can you save 35% of your money in these plans. Plus we will also provide discounted brokerage plans. So if you want to open in 5paisa or IIFL, so if you open through us, you will get good brokerage plans plus 25% refund of brokerage on that plans. So every month you save a good amount of brokerage. So now we will test our strategy live on algotest.in. So traders, we are here at website algotest.in. So what algotest.in website is? So Algotest is a platform where you can backtest your strategy and then you can live deploy that strategy on Algo. So what we are going to do today is we will deploy our strategy on algotest.in. We will deploy the same strategy on all the four brokers. So in one Algotest account you can log in with many different brokers. So we have here logged in four brokers. So these four brokers are FINVASIA, 5paisa, IIFL and KOTAK Neo. So we will deploy our strategy on all these four brokers, same strategy, and check which broker has fastest execution speed. But before we do this, let me tell you, if you open your account on Algotest, so you don't get any extra benefits on their pricing plans. So these plans you don't get any extra benefit. But if you open through our refer link, you will get whopping 35% refund. So how to get that to lifetime? So for that you have to message me on WhatsApp 62848730048. So if you message me on WhatsApp on my WhatsApp number 62848730048, I will tell you how you can get 35% off on these plans, not for first time, for lifetime. So and after that we also provide discounted brokerage plans. So for example in IIFL, if you directly go to their website, they provide 50 per lot or 20 per order something. But if you open through us, we provide 4 rupees per lot, 2 rupees per lot, 1 rupees per lot or 15 rupees per order. So totally we provide 25% discount on all the plans plus better plans we provide. Similarly in 5paisa they provide 20 per order. But if you open through our refer link by messaging us on WhatsApp 62848730048, we will provide you 7.5 rupees per order plan. So I am giving my WhatsApp number in description. you can message me on that. So now coming on strategy, what our strategy is that we are going to deploy here on Algotest. So this is our strategy broker test. Let me tell you what strategy is. So today, however, today is Monday, but because Tuesday tomorrow is holiday, so today is FINVASIA expiry, and the on expiry the load on broker is very high. So that's why I chose FINVASIA today, so that we can test which broker handle the load easily. So FINVASIA we have selected, and entry timing is 9:16 to 3:15. Okay, so we our strategy is we will buy call at the money strike. When the strike price at the money strike price at 9:16 move 0.5 points. So this simple momentum feature means if the strike price move 0.5 point or whatever we decide, then it will take entry, and whatever stop loss is 1 point, target profit is 2 point, and we have re-entries also. So in Algotest you can also do re-entries. So our re-entries on re-momentum. Re-momentum means if stop loss hit and again the new at the money strike at the time of stop loss hit moves 0.5 point again, we will again take entry. Similarly, we have two re-entries and two re-entries on target. Target in the sense if target hit, our 2 point target hit, so it will again take re-entry when the new at the money strike move 0.5 point. Same in the case of put strike. So here we selected at the money and all the things are same, only difference is in this it will buy put strike, in which in this leg it will buy call strike. Whichever condition meet, the leg will be executed. So now we are going to activate our strategy. So we will click on activate here, and here we will activate this strategy for first FINVASIA. So here you can see we have deployed broker test strategy, same strategy for FINVASIA. Now we will deploy same strategy for 5 paisa. So we will activate this. So you can see here same strategy is activated for 5 paisa. Similarly, we will deploy that same strategy for IIFL, and again same strategy for KOTAK Neo. So now the time is around 9. Okay, so after 3:30 I will check whichever strategy worked well today, and I will also try as today is mid cap Nifty expiry. So if this strategy is squared off early, so I will definitely try to deploy mid cap Nifty strategy also. So you will get a better view of which broker execution is best and which broker give less slippage. So traders, here we are. So our strategies has been squared off. So as you can see here, there are 8 instances. So in morning, as I have shown you, we have deployed same strategy on 4 brokers. First is FINVASIA, 5 paisa, IIFL and KOTAK Neo. So the strategy is of FINNifty. So after that, I also deployed a mid cap Nifty strategy on all these 4 brokers. The strategy is same. So here if I click on strategy, so the entry timing here is 10:05 to 3:15, mid cap Nifty it is, and this is our strategy. So you don't need to know what strategy is. So the strategy I just made for testing purpose. No, it is not advisable to deploy this strategy. So now we are going to check which broker has fastest execution. But before that, you may be wondering that FINVASIA gave loss minus 450, IIFL gave minus 424, KOTAK Neo gave minus 442. But 5 paisa, why 5 paisa gave only 187 loss? We might be thinking it can be a coincidence, but before this video, I also uploaded another video that is in Hindi language on this channel, that is of previous days. On that days also 5 paisa performed better than other brokers. So this can't be a coincidence. It is possible that the execution speed in 5paisa is better than all these three brokers. So we are going to check that is it better or is it just a coincidence. So in this tab I will open this FINVASIA trades of our strategy, that is of FinNifty. So if I click on strategy, so where is strategy? Yes, so you can see this is FinNifty strategy. This is same strategy that we are going to check here on 5paisa. So here we will click on trades and check the trades given by 5paisa. Same in live trade section. This is for IIFL, and again on live trade section, this is of KOTAK Neo. So here you can see, here I will check the strategy if it is same or not. So FinNifty, there it is, and it is same strategy that we deployed for other brokers. So now you can see that FinVasia gave 134 loss. So here we check the execution speed. So how do we do that? We have to check this just normal things: trigger time and anti-timing. So what is trigger time? Trigger time is the time at which your strike is triggered, strike price triggered, and anti-timing is the time at which your trade got executed. So if there is delay in trigger time and execution time, it means your broker is delaying your trades. And now there is report time. What is report time? Report time is the time when your broker report the algo platform that this trade is executed. If you have a re-entry, you can take re-entry. Same in stop loss case, the trigger price here not shown, so exit time shown. So exit timing is the time where the leg got exited. Same report time is the time when the broker this broker reported the Algotest that your trade is executed, and you can then do re-entry trades. So what if this is late? So the more the late is the more the late this report time is, the more your re-entry will be late. So now we are going to check if it is fastest broker or not. So here you can see trigger timing is 9:16:40 and entry timing 9:16. It is not delay. It is just a glitch only in FinVasia. If you deploy your strategy in FinVasia in Algotest, you will find all other brokers give right time, but FinVasia don't give a better right time. For example, here you can see in 5paisa broker, the trigger time is 9:16:40 and 9:16:39. There is 1 second only. So 1 second is okay. This is in all the brokers you can expect. This is the minimum delay, and report timing is 9:16:40, almost same. Okay. So here you can see, and then exit timing is 9:16:54 and report time is 9:16:55. There is 1 second difference. It is okay. But if you look in this, here it is saying 40, here it is saying 56. So maybe FinVasia have some issues. Maybe it is taking entry on right time, but it is not displaying correct time. So we are not going to check this trigger time and report time for FinVasia. We will check this for all other brokers. We will only check slippage if there is slippage. So here you can see that trigger price is 33.60 and it entry on 33.65. So there is 0.5 slippage. Here also 0.5 slippage. Here also no slippage. Here also 0.5 slippage, and here no slippage. So here you can see also there is timing difference big. So that's why I don't prefer zero brokerage platform like FinVasia. So they do not report the correct time to Algotest. So they can delay your timing also. So here the report timing is nearly, and so here there is no need to check report time because it is displaying wrong info. So now we will check for this our favorite broker, that is 5paisa. So here you can see 39.40 and here 54.55, same to same almost, and there is 0.5 slippage, 0.25 slippage. And if you check here delay time, there is 9:17:00, 9:17:01. at 9:17:01, there is no delay in report time. There is 1 second delay here. There is no delay in report time. There is 1 second delay here. 07 to 08. There is only 1 second delay. So here similarly 09 and 010, 1 second delay only, and 010. Here there is no delay 45 to 45 and 45. So that's why I prefer 5 paisa, because in algo, for algos only, it is doing execution very fast. If you look at here on 55, so it is very fast. Here it just delayed 2 seconds. So report time is exact. Here it delayed 2 seconds. But as you see 39, there is no slippage. Here is 0.05 slippage, very low. Here no slippage. Here 0.05. So here you can see the slippage is very low in 5 paisa, and the trigger time also matches with the execution time. So there is no delay in execution. Here you can see exit time 16, 17, 55, 45, 48. So this is very fast. Now if we talk about IIFL, so here you can see that IIFL is also good. Why I am saying is good? Because it captured all these strikes. If you look at re-entries in this IIFL, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 entries. While if you look at 5 paisa and other brokers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it took only 5 entries. Same while Kotak only took 4 entry. So it is like, as I told you, IIFL is awesome in terms of stability and API. In terms of API only, the 5 paisa is best because its execution is very fast. So if you are an algo user only, I prefer you to go for 5 paisa. But if you are manual plus algo, you can go for IIFL. So now in IIFL, what is the issue is there is only delay issue sometime you can face. Otherwise, it is really well broken. So here you can see 39, 30, 40, 003. Here 3 second delay is there. Report time, why I don't know. There is giving too much delay, it is saying. However, in buy likes, you don't get any slippage. Here also don't get any slippage. Mean 0.05 slippage. Here also I don't know what is the issue, why it is saying too much delay. However, the trigger time and entry time, you don't getting much slippage here. So here also you don't get much slippage. 34.80, 35.20. So here a slippage is little bit more. 37.55, 37.95. So here is 0.04 slippage. 36.40, 36.90. So here also very little slippage. So similarly in 5 paisa is also, sorry, in IIFL is a really good broker, but only issue sometime you face is delay in execution. Like here is anti-timing is here, and here 2 second delay is there. 35.70, 36, 36.90, 36.90, 38.05, 38.0. So here you can see that you also don't get any huge slippage in IIFL also. So in slippage wise, IIFL is also good, but only issue is sometime you can get a delay, sometime that is not regularly. Here you can see Kotak Neo. In execution wise, it is also good. You can see 16, 16, 16, 39, 39. 32.75, 33.25 slippage, not much. Execution. So here you can see that it is also very fast. But only issue that one big issue in Kotak is here their stability is very bad stability they provide. For example, last 2-3 days before, he also seen that the it is not working for some users, and 15 days ago also some users it is not working. So it gave many times some errors to users. So that why it is not preferable, because execution work only if your broker work well. If stability works well, stability always comes first. But Kotak Neo is not stable, that much stable. But if you are doing buying strategies and using this for buying, you can okay with its performance, because in buying risk is low. So now what we are going to do is we are going to check for FinNifty strategy. So sorry, for mid cap Nifty. So here you can see that FinVasia gives that much loss, IIFL give this big loss, and Kotak New also give this big loss. While if you look at 5 paisa, it don't give us much loss. It give very low loss. So why is that? So first we click on trades. This is FinVasia. Then we click on here we will check 5 paisa trades. Here we will check, just give me 1 minute, IIFL trades. Here we will check Kotak New trades. So if you look at FinVasia, it give very high loss comparing to other. So why this is? This is because if you look at here you can see there is delay in report time and all. So while trigger time and entry timing is same, so you don't get here much slippage. Here 06 to 47. So in FinVasia also there is delay issue. So maybe that's why you get this much loss. So here the slippage is not much, as you can see, 15, 20, 55, 55, 15, 15, now 15.95. Here maybe this is why, because you get much loss, because in FinVasia here you can see the trigger price is 18.05, but you sold at 14.95. So very high slippage you face here. So that's why it can be an issue here. So that's why the FinVasia is giving much loss to us. Okay, so here slippage is not much. Here also 0.04 slippage, here 0.3 slippage, here also you can see the 1.55 slippage. So the in FinVasia we are facing huge slippage, while if you look at 5 paisa, let me check if we get slippage here or not. So if we look at here 5 paisa, this strategy, the strategy is same. Here you can see strategy. So this is mid cap Nifty strategy. So if you look properly, here no slippage, no slippage. There is 46, and timing also correct. Timing also here you can look correct. Timing also correct. And here also 0.05 slippage, 0.05 slippage. Timing is correct. Timing is correct. Here you can see there is no delay in execution. There is 2-second delay in report time, not execution. 13.55 there is no slippage. 36, 37 execution is fast, and then 13.15, 13.15, 41, 41. So execution you can check 04, 04, 04 really fast. So what happens because of this is because of this you can say because of this fast execution is you don't get much slippage. You capture good price. Your price don't get delayed. So that's why I prefer this. So here you can see in this leg FinVasia gave loss because on trigger price 17.90 that give huge slippage, but here you can see you don't get much slippage. So that's why it give profit. Here also anti timing also no slippage, anti timing also you get no slippage. So here you can check this exit timing is 30, report timing is here 4-second delay in exit timing, but that is 4-second delay in report time, sorry, not in exit timing. Exit timing is same as 17.45 SL, 17.45 exit. So there is no delay in execution. So that's why here you can see why some broker give loss, some broker give profit, because some broker don't delay in execution. But if you look at here IIFL, I think it just missed one entry. maybe because of this 30, 34, this is delay. And here also if you look at overall slippage is there, but slippage is not that much. Here there is 37 pe exit and 39 report time, 34. So here you can see slippage is not there in 5 paisa if you look correctly. 13.15, 13.15, 18.50, 18.50, 18.05, 18.25. So if you look slippage wise, 5 paisa is also good. IIFL is also good. But as you do only algo, so what you can prefer is 5 paisa, because it is giving you fastest execution, and if you open through me you get 7.5 rupees per order. If you open directly you don't get that much benefit. 18.95, 18.95, 18.55, 18.60. So here you can see that you are not getting much slippage in IIFL also. In Kotak, here if you look, why it gave loss. So here is 4-second delay in all the brokers, I think. The slippage is low here also, 18.05, 0.035 slippage. But I think it didn't capture one re-entry or one re-entry. So that's why it is not gave us profit that 5 paisa gave. So 504, 505, 48, 48, 55, 56, 8, 10. So here you can see that execution wise it is a better than uh, it is better than FINVASIA Shunya app. But if you talking about overall perspective, you can see here that 5 paisa is better in capturing spikes, in capturing good profit. For example, if spike came, some broker like FINVASIA, KOTAK or IIFL sometime they can delay execution. That's why maybe your target may miss. But in 5 paisa, it is capturing good profit. Also, it is not like one day it is done this. One day can be coincidence. I also believe one day it might be possible that by mistake it happened. But if you watch my old previous video, in that also 5 paisa performed very well. So it can't be a coincidence. So that's why I prefer, if you want to open a account in 5 paisa, you can open directly. You can, if you open directly, you get 20 per order or 10 per order. And if for 10 per order you have to pay extra cost, but if you open through me you don't have to pay extra cost. You can open through me and get 7.5 rupees per order. For that you just have to message me 62848 and you can if you want 35% off on Algotest plan, you can still message me on WhatsApp 62848 So our winner for fastest execution is 5 paisa. Thanks for watching guys. Hope so you will like this video and share this video. Thank you.